Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I was wondering if Craftsman still honored their lifetime warranty, and so I had a broken reducer here, a 3/8 inch drive that goes down to a quarter, and also a older screwdriver, clearly Craftsman brand with a model number on it. So I decided to see what would happen if I took them into Lowe's. Sears has closed down. They used to have the tools, and so now Lowe's is the only place really in town that has Craftsman products. So I went in, and they were happy to send me over to get the new replacement parts. And so I was able to find the reducer, and so they were good with that. The other one, they didn't carry the exact screwdriver. So what they did give me was Craftsman's contact information here with a phone number at the bottom that I could call. So Lowe's was very nice, and they make you give them your driver's license, kind of like doing a return at some other stores you may have done before if you don't have a receipt. So that was kind of normal. And now it was on to the screwdriver. So I decided to call the phone number that they gave me on the card. And I called in, and they asked for the model number. And it was a lengthy process. Press 1 for this, press 2 for this, and, let me see if we have that on hand. And so in the end, it was about 15 minutes for the phone call. So in the end, they said that they're going to send me a new one. I gave them my address and everything. And so in the end, I want to say that yes, Craftsman still does stand behind their lifetime warranty. It just may be a little different than walking into a store and saying, hey, I need a new one of these that broke. You may need to have it shipped to you like this if it's not the exact model you had. And in some other cases, they asked me to provide a receipt, but that was for Craftsman, the Evolve set, which was kind of a different brand that they carried, so I don't know if that was any different. But anyway, I'm happy to say I have the new tools, and I'll get the other one in the mail at least, and I'm satisfied customer, so thanks, Craftsman. So let me know in the comments what experience you've had returning any broken tools and if the lifetime warranties worked out for you. Thanks for watching.